In this video, I will show you how to deactivate both Facebook and Messenger account. To do this thing, you can either use your Facebook application or Messenger application. Here, I will use my Messenger application. After opening, tap the hamburger menu, then tap settings. Now scroll down and open Account Center. Tap Manage Account, tap the Manage button next to Facebook, select Deactivation or Deletion. Tap continue under deactivation. Again, just tap continue. Now, re-enter your password and tap continue. Then you have to select a reason. Here, I will select the very first one. This is temporarily. I will be back. Then you have to select don't reactivate automatically like this. After tap continue, then just tap deactivate my account option at the bottom. Now you can see your account is now deactivated. Sometime even if you deactivate your Facebook account, your Messenger account still will remain active. So like in this notice, so you have to deactivate it separately. So you can follow the same process. Open settings, open account center, then you can tap manage account. Here you can see deactivated expect messenger. So you have to deactivate separately, then you can see deactivate messenger option will be appear. Tap continue, then you have to re-enter your password, verify you, then just tap deactivate messenger option, then your both Facebook and Messenger account will be deactivated. So instead of deactivating, if you want to permanently delete them, click this end screen video and come on over.